Intro. Have you ever wondered how fish became land animals? Imagine a world where no creatures walk on land. That was Earth 375 million years ago. But then, something incredible happened. Some fish decided to leave the water and explore the land. This is the story of how fins became feet. Welcome to From Fins to Feet, the amazing journey of tetrapods. I'm your name, and today we're diving into one of the most fascinating chapters in Earth's history. Main content. Let's start by looking at life in ancient oceans. Picture yourself swimming in the Devonian seas 375 million years ago. The water is teeming with life. You'd see armored fish called placoderms. Shark-like creatures glide by. Colorful coral reefs provide homes for smaller fish. But among all these creatures, one group stands out: the lobe-finned fish. These fish are special because they have fleshy fins supported by bones. This feature will become crucial in our story. Now, let's focus on these lobe-finned fish. They're not like the fish we know today. Their fins are muscular and contain bones similar to those in our arms and legs. Some well-known examples are the coelacanth and the lungfish. These fish can use their fins to walk along the bottom of rivers and lakes. They also have primitive lungs, allowing them to breathe air. These adaptations gave them an advantage in shallow waters. But why would fish want to leave the water? The Devonian period saw frequent droughts. Many shallow water bodies dried up. Fish that could move on land and breathe air had a better chance of survival. They could move between shrinking pools of water. They could also access new food sources on land. This brings us to the transition to land. It didn't happen overnight. It took millions of years of gradual changes. The first tetrapods, or four-legged animals, still spent most of their time in water. They looked more like fish than the land animals we know today. One famous early tetrapod is Tiktaalik. Tiktaalik had gills like a fish, but also lungs and primitive nostrils. Their fins were becoming more like legs, with bones similar to our wrist and fingers. But it still had scales and a tail fin. As tetrapods spent more time on land, their bodies changed. Their skulls flattened, allowing them to lift their heads out of water. Their necks became more flexible. Their ribcages grew stronger to support their bodies without water. Their fins gradually turned into legs and feet. But these changes didn't happen all at once. Different features evolved at different rates. One key adaptation was the development of weight-bearing limbs. In water, animals are supported by buoyancy. On land, they need strong legs to hold up their bodies. Early tetrapods developed larger, stronger bones in their limbs. They also developed new joints, like the elbow and ankle. These allow for more complex movements on land. Another important change was in breathing. Fish use gills to extract oxygen from water. But gills don't work well in air. Tetrapods developed more efficient lungs. They also changed how they breathe. Instead of using gill pumps, they developed rib muscles for breathing. The sense organs also had to adapt. Eyes that worked well underwater needed to change for vision in air. Ears adapted to detect airborne sounds instead of underwater vibrations. The sense of smell became more important on land. As tetrapods spent more time on land, their skin changed too. Fish scales weren't suitable for a terrestrial lifestyle. The skin became thicker to prevent water loss. Some tetrapods developed glands to keep their skin moist. These adaptations allowed tetrapods to exploit new environments. They could now live in places that were inaccessible to fish. This led to a great diversification of tetrapod species. From these early pioneers evolved all the land vertebrates we see today. That includes amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals, including us. Outro. The journey from fins to feet is a testament to the power of evolution. It shows how small changes over millions of years can lead to dramatic transformations. Next time you look at a fish, remember, you're seeing a distant cousin. We all share a common ancestor that lived in the oceans long ago. If you find this journey as fascinating as I do, please like and share this video. Leave a comment with your thoughts or questions about tetrapod evolution. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos about the amazing history of life on Earth. Thanks for watching, from fins to feet. The amazing journey of tetrapods. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.